Let me show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy S25 is overheating and you basically are experiencing a lot of issues with this phone. Maybe it's struggling, maybe it has become very slow, or again, it drains battery like absolutely crazy. So at the moment, I'm actually not seeing any problems when it comes to overheating on the S25. So I'll show you some general tips what you can do that actually works for most phones. And generally, I think the S25 when it comes to overheating actually is pretty decent. So first things first, if you actually have these issues, also check what kind of case you are using. For example, if basically you have very poor quality case, some of these cases actually trap a lot of heat and actually doesn't allow a phone actually to properly dissipate heat. So the best option really is, if you want the coolest phone, is to actually use it without the case. Also, if you use your phone in direct sunlight as well, so if a lot of sun essentially shines on it, then again it will actually heat up the phone and it will also cause a lot of overheating issues and stuff like that. So these are some physical things that we can do. And also, for example, again, if you actually keep it to the maximum brightness all the time, obviously this also will consume more battery and also make the phone overheat a bit. So, but again, I'm not seeing any problems on my unit. So this video is simply if you have some problems. So basically, then also we can go in the device care. So in the settings, click device care over here and check how much storage you have. Basically, if you only have maybe 5 or 10 gigabytes left, then your phone will actually perform much worse. And again, this also can cause overheating issues. And also check memory. So check if you have at least maybe 4 or 5 gigabytes available. You can also click this optimize now. And as you can see, it can actually do some things. And also we can click on the memory and also basically, so I do not have anything here, but basically you can clean your memory out and also detect which apps maybe are the biggest resource hogs essentially for you. Then also in this same menu, we can go over here on the performance profile, enable this light. So this can actually solve huge amounts of problems. So I think if you have these issues on this phone, I really suggest to enable this light performance profile. Then also obviously verify that you do not have crazy amounts of high games running in the background or some other app that simply maxes out the phone all the time. So again, I recommend simply close all your running apps from time to time. Also, by the way, if your phone starts to heat up like crazy when you actually charge it on a charger using a wire or wireless charger, then again this is completely normal, so you do not really have to worry about that. And then finally, still, if you can't figure out what's actually up, we can simply reset our phone. So we can go in general management, click reset, obviously save your data that you still need and simply do a factory data reset. So this will return the phone to the factory state. And yeah, basically it will also get rid of any junk that maybe is causing. Also, maybe you have some virus that basically is running on your phone and you can't really find it. So again, maybe you have one of these crypto miners installed by accident on this phone, so by some virus. And again, it can simply in the background, it can essentially rob all your resources from that phone and basically do these very naughty things. So essentially, and you can't really even see that something like that is going on. So again, maybe you have some virus, and again that is consuming all the resources on your phone and causing this. So doing factory reset, I think, is probably the best way how you can get rid of such problems. Anyway, good luck.